Hello guys, welcome to my course. I am glad that you found time for yourself, as this time is truly priceless. If you don't know, but I am a certified holistic nutritionist and I see our body as the whole. It's the same way I see our skincare. I believe that only skincare products definitely will not be enough to prevent the premature aging and just be real happy with the way our skin looks and feels. That's why I pay a lot of attention to the lymphatic system in our bodies and also great circulation. The same principle will work for your whole body, for all the muscles. Take your back health or your knees. And that's why this course has been born. I believe that this course has the most effective techniques for different kinds of facial massage, and we shall learn about massage done with just two hands. I think it's one of the easiest ways to spend 10 minutes of your day. This massage is also called basic massage, and we shall also learn about the massage techniques done with mechanical massaging devices. It is amazing what results we will achieve together with the massage techniques I will share with you. For every technique, we shall have an information on the massage, its benefits, contraindications, a guide on when to use it, how to combine different massages, and of course the massage technique itself. The main rule here is to be consistent and find 10-15 minutes of self-care time daily. Setting goals is a great idea. Say you at least want to finish one course of one massage technique. There will be lots of information, so do not get overwhelmed. Work at your own pace. And again, just do it. If you have time in the morning, great. If you have time in the evening, great. If it's not 10 minutes but 7, still, just go ahead. Normally, once you start, you will still finish it the 10 or 15 minutes recommended for the massage. I really want to emphasize here that the massage procedure done at the salon is not cheap. And because it will be effective only if done regularly, it's very good to have the knowledge of how to do the massage yourself. First of all, you will save you a lot of money. Second of all, you will do it whenever you want. And in the end, it will help you to prevent lots of skin problems in the future. As we all know, that prevention is the best course. I have mentioned there will be a couple of massage techniques done with mechanical massaging devices. You do not need them right away for this course, as the first massage we will master will be the basic massage. But getting the devices in the future, it's really a great idea and an investment in your skincare. As a bonus, I will show you how to make your lymphatic system healthier so your face and your body will look and feel the best. There is also a separate blog on the under eye care, as I believe this area needs a little extra love and attention. At the end of this course, you will gain some solid knowledge and information, and experience, of course, about facial massage, skincare that will help you to target your already existing problem zones, and you'll have an excellent tool for their prevention in the future. So let's begin.